Hello everyone and welcome to our Japanese Mini Talk channel. In our video today we'll be looking at the Honda Acty spare parts. Honda Acty is among the most popular Japanese mini trucks in the market. They have stood the test of time and have proven to be very dependable and usable in handling lots of different errands. They are loved for their good performance. But to have good performance from a vehicle, one must make sure that the vehicle is in perfect shape and form. Maintenance and repairs is a must if you want to get the best out of your vehicle. But to achieve that, you equally want to make sure that the spares are available when needed. In this guide, we will go through some of the ways that you can get Honda Acty spare parts easily without much hassles. But before delving on ways that you can find Honda Acty spare parts, let us first look at how good these vehicles are. The Japanese mini trucks in general are lightweight trucks that have won accolades. They can be found all over. However, they were first introduced and used in the Japanese market for many different purposes. From being used in hauling business to construction, their versatility on that score is unmatched. Honda Acty is among the best in the K-truck class. Their performance overall is incredible, and some other additional features like the 4-wheel drive makes them almost invincible in this class. Besides all that, the vehicle runs on less fuel, making them very economical and fuel efficient. To summarize it, these vehicles stand out and there is no reason not to love them. Here are some of the best ways that one can use to find Honda Acty spare parts with much ease. Number 1. Shop classified websites. Classified websites have been around for a very long time. They have played a pivotal role between sellers and buyers. Despite being less popular than they used to be before e-commerce websites came around, they are still in full use. This is a good place where you can find Honda Acty spare parts to buy. Some of the best classified websites that you can find these spare parts includes Craigslist. eBay is yet another place where you can find these spare parts. On the eBay platform, you can also participate in auctions, which can come in handy. The other place worth checking out is the auto dealers. Considering the fact that Honda and other Japanese mini trucks are popular across the globe, it is a known fact that they have established shops and dealerships. These dealerships and shops could be the best place that you can find these spare parts. Another great option that one should consider is to import those spares. This is a surefire way that you can be guaranteed of good quality spare parts. The import process is very simple, unlike what many people think. Honda Acty is one of the best lightweight trucks that one can find in the market. Good maintenance and proper repair is however crucial. Having gone through this guide, we've come to the end of our video today. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. See you in our next video.